So I used to thank you again. I'm posting a video before after this, I don't know when. But just to prove, I used to have ATV. You guys don't know that stuff. I have a GoPro too, but we ain't getting to that yet. So we have one dope bike, and it's a Coleman CT100U, and we have the SSO. I'm pretty sure, I don't know what that is. So, I don't know if the doors are locked, but check. We switch the spots every day, so, yeah, the door's locked, but I have a GoPro in now. This is where the ATV used to be. That's not there no more. Got stolen. So, well, guys, I have so much stuff, and you think, oh, but you're so we're so jealous. Come on, give it. You don't have any money out, but I have $750 in the bank. So, if you guys subscribe, I will let you 100 deals in 24 hours from you. All you have to do is comment. That's it. On YouTube, turn on my comments, please. I will do anything on YouTube. Okay. Now, back to this. So all I'm gonna say is, I have 5 footballs, 15 basketballs, and 5 helmets. I don't know why I need all that stuff, but I don't know. And guys, if you didn't know, I'm getting over a Shrek throat. So if you guys want to know about that, I'm doing a YouTube video after this about that. So listen to the video. Peace. Yeet.